Okada Manila is a 5-star luxury resort and casino. Well, someone told me that the Christmas village here in Okada is now open, so let's check it out. Oh, it feels like Christmas here. So many festivities, I like it. Ho, ho, ho! This is indeed a nice place to visit. I can truly feel the spirit of Christmas. If you want to visit here with your families and friends, you are all welcome, guys, because there is no entrance fee here. So everybody's welcome. They have a variety of carnival rides here, like these mini Vikings. There are so many things to do here. You can play this one, you can take a ride, you can eat, or you can shop. Your choice.
Sobrahan yung kamay nyo kasi nakaupo kayo.
You can also do some Christmas shopping here. They look yummy, right? But they're not donuts, guys. They're soap. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. As you can see, there are so many people here because it's Sunday. So if you want to avoid the crowd, you should visit here on weekdays, guys. So this is where you will find a different kind of food. They have a variety of food stalls here. For those who love grilled food, you should visit this store. Barbecue. Local Filipino food here. Wow, Wow, they also have a carousel here.